The Barinaga Resthouse scale model is a true testament to the seamless integration of art, functionality, and storytelling in architectural design. This serene rest house comes to life through a meticulous crafted scale model, showcasing the intricate interplay between creativity, engineering, and narrative. The primary goal of the project is to create a clear and comprehensive representation of the complex structure, aiding stakeholders, clients, and team members in fully understanding the overall design. Scale models are invaluable for testing and validation as they reveal potential issues and complexities that may not be immediately apparent in full-scale version. They also serve as highly effective communication tools among designers, engineers, clients, and investors. To construct the Barinaga Resthouse model, a variety of materials are essential, including Sintra board of various thickness, craft folders, miniature human figure, acetate sheets, micro tweezers, appropriate set of glue, bulbs and other lighting materials, textured papers, and miniature trees and bushes. The construction process commences with the gathering and scaling of working drawings to fit in an A4 size. This is followed by the creation of massing models from craft folders to visualize project scale. Comes next is the outline of the lot's contour and creating the contour using crumpled paper and molding it to have an accurate terrain. An allowance must be made for a power cell slot, as ferry lights powered by AA battery cells were chosen for the project. Once the contour map is complete, the orientation of the structure is mapped out by referring to the working drawings. Subsequently, the base of the structure and flooring are addressed. Cutouts for wall portions, windows, and other elements necessary were made. Different window frame sizes and louvers are cut from craft folder, and acetate sheets are used for the glass parts. To create stained glass effect, small triangles are cut from plastic marker strips and meticulously placed according to the pattern in the working drawings using longer slender tweezers. The walls and windows are then assembled before being mounted. For the bamboo accents, toothpicks are used to mimic the texture and visual appearance of bamboo. They are measured and cut to the same length to facilitate assembly. As for the roofing, corrugated sheets were used in reference of the scale using the model. The roofing is later painted with the appropriate color using poster paint. The roof is made removable by placing small strips of Sintra board that fits within the walls perfectly, which allows easy disassembly if needed. The power source of the ferry lights and the accompanying wiring inside the structure are carefully laid out and secured using small amounts of Bostik tacks. Finally, green felt paper is used to simulate the appearance of a lawn and grass grains. Miniature bushes and trees were used to make it pop. The pathway was added using craft paper, and riprap was then added to have a clearer visual representation for what helped support the structure using clay and oil-based paint, and was sculpted in detail to create texture. Lastly, the human figure were placed by the porch to have a visual reference of the scale model.